Hey there, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to tell you why you don't need those fancy action cameras to get this kind of footage. No GoPro, no DJI, no Insta360. Just a very simple hack. Let me show you. So actually all you need is this. And this is literally just a phone mount with an adhesive onto the helmet. And then it allows you to put your phone here and clamp it. Let's see how that looks like. So this is how you go about it. Like I said, the adhesive onto the helmet, and then there's a clamp, which by the way you can change. You can remove the phone holder and just mount your old school action camera. But for today, this is what I use to film a lot of my social media posts. An iPhone 13. What I do is just loosen the clamp big enough to allow the phone to go in, slide the phone, and then just fasten the clamp. Well, now you can see the phone is fastened. I've used it for quite a bit of time. I don't think it's gonna drop your phone. Well, there's only one way to find out. Yeah, and then you just use your regular phone camera or whatever camera app you use to record, and that saves you a lot of money, time, a lot of resources really. So you don't need to buy the GoPro, throw it in the bin if you have one. If you don't have one, then yeah, man, no need of getting one. GoPro, DJI, Insta360, just use your phone. Well, until you can raise a ton of money to get an action camera really. With this kind of setup, you can get amazing footages like these ones. Enjoy. You can see it better from here.